I'm confused. Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? Today I'm back and I'm gonna attempt to, I don't even know if I'm gonna try the glueless method or what on this hair yet, but I'm kind of just gonna go with whatever happens. This wig I received is from OMG Queen Hair, and it did come in 613, and I went in with some colors that I got from Sally's, and I went in with their purple color, but somehow the hair turned out to be mint green. And then I went in with a Adore Lavender, I believe, and just to put in some like little highlights in there, and those came out purple, but I don't know how it turned out mint green. But yeah, and then I also used the toner from Sally's to make the roots a little grayish brownish. I don't know how this hair is finna look when I put it on, but let's just get right into it. I'll make sure to put all the hair specs on the screen and everything. But during this video, I'm honestly not going to be talking because I don't know what I really want to do yet with this hair. So it's kind of just going to be like figuring it out as I go. So just comment below if you think I should give Sally's a bad review, because my color should not be this light when I bought a purple. But let's just get into it.
I bought it.